Good morning. I just woke up. It is Saturday morning. Normally I had a free weekend, but duty has called. I have to work. So I thought it was time for a new colour. Something extreme. I've been doing purple for a while, but I just feel like my hair doesn't like purple. It just doesn't get as intense as I want it to be for some reason. I don't know. We're gonna do something crazy. I'm sorry I look ridiculous, by the way, because the beauticians are open again, and I just did my eyebrows yesterday and my lashes, but my eyebrows are still a bit sore, or my skin around it. So, and I look really tired. Don't know why. Anyway, today we're gonna do pink and yellow. Do you know those ice creams that are looking like, well, these? Yeah, that's what it's like. So today's hair, I'm gonna be using the Directions pink. It is a flamingo pink. It is a very pink, as you can see. I mean, it's like neon. Right. And yellow from Kiss. It is the Keradirect yellow. This is like literally the only decent yellow I could find, because Directions had a yellow too, but it was like, I don't know, it wasn't like a very cool yellow, and I don't want cool, I want pathetic, so yeah. Anyway, I just bleached my hair yesterday, but I saw I forgot a spot, so I'm fixing that right now. They say that Directions is best taken on wet hair, so I'm gonna take a shower, a quick shower, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with the purple. We're gonna put it all over my roots. I divided my hair. My boyfriend's gonna do the back in a minute. This is really fucking pink, so it better be pretty, because I need to work. Oh, this is bad. Okay, the pink is everywhere. My boyfriend hates me. Tell me I'm pretty.
Yeah.
Painful. Okay, so the next step is yellow. Oh shit. Okay. I don't actually know how I'm gonna do that, but guess we will manage. Oh my god. Okay. Gosh. It's not that bright.
What?
Ja, dat is niet zo mooi heel.
Ziet eruit als currysaus.
Thanks.
Ja, dat is mooi hè.
Love that for me. That's what I try to do. Oh, it's real now. Okay, I think it looks pretty horrendous, but I guess I'll wait until the finish. Alright, I guess we'll wait. So the description, oh shit. My whole hand is yellow.
And it was all yellow. Evacuate the dance floor. Affected by the sound.
Stop singing these shitty songs.
2 hours later.
Ta-ta! Now, let me just roll around. I feel like a candy. Right, so the girl I tried to recreate is this one. And she made a tutorial about it. I'll link that down below as well, but she already had yellow in her hair. So I never thought that I was gonna get it this yellow with the color that I already had, but I still want it a bit more bright like her. So I think I'm gonna get that once I dye it once more with yellow and maybe a different shade. But since it's gotten a bit more dry, the color's gotten a bit better. But here it's a bit dark yellow. A bit like you put yellow on the floor, stamped on it, and that's this color right here. But, well, the pink is very bright. I mean, I don't have to lie about that. Right. So this was it. I do have to say that the colors look a lot different with this lighting than it does. Maybe it's a bit different here. But yeah, I certainly do like it. It took me a while to like adjust as well. Well, a while, it's been like an hour since I had this, but I'm accepting it. I did buy another yellow and I'm probably gonna do that next week. Gonna just go over it again, that's a bit more bright, because I don't think like this purple is not gonna fade away soon. Pretty sure about that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, comment down below. And yeah, if you've got any tips for the bit, if you got any tips to get the yellow more bright or something, also just comment it down below. And yeah, another day, another hair color. This is very bright. Yeah, I kind of like it. Anyway, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in my next video. Bye.